Make a video. We're gonna make a train video. Look at this awesome train track we got right now.
I like that one.
We gotta turn the lights on here to get better lights. Where's the lights? Here they are. Alright. So the train starts over there. It goes down here by the mineral water mountain.
Where's the mountain?
Here's the mountain. Right here, mineral water mountain. And then over here the train goes up. Goes up onto an elevated platform.
Where's the elevator?
Here's the elevated platform. And there's a train. Should we test it out?
That's not the elevator.
Hey, you think we could do this whole route without the train stopping once? I don't think so, but let's try it out. So the train's starting to go. Hey, brother, we need your help. Push the train a little bit. There you go.
It's gonna go on.
And it got stuck again. Let's see if it can go by itself. Don't mess with the chain, brother. Oh no! When you step next to it, I think you make too much power. You're too powerful. Dang, we got the... There we go. Oh no! There's too many turns. These turns decapitate the train. Who's that?
Batman.
Oh no! Oh no! That was pretty cool. You want to try the other way? You think it's gonna go better the other way? Whoa! Dang! This is rough. Trucks are a little rough.